Hello guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your login details such as emails or password from Google Password Manager. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you have your Netflix login details stored by Google Password Manager and you'd like to go ahead and remove this, it's pretty simple. You see, by default, if you go ahead and sign into Netflix, if you had already saved your emails and password in Google Password Manager, it will always show up here where you can just go ahead and directly click on it and it will log you in. However, if you want to remove these details, it's pretty simple. Just head over to your Google Chrome browser and then head on top here on these ellipses, and from this go ahead and click on settings. From settings, go over to this settings page and choose autofill and passwords. So if you click on this, you'll see we have this option for Google Password Manager. So if you click on this, now you should be able to see all the passwords that have been stored by this Google Password Manager. Go ahead and find Netflix. As you can see, Netflix is among them, and I'd like to remove these login details from my Google Password Manager. So if you click on the website that you wish, you'll see we have your email here has been stored and also the password has been also saved. If you want to modify them, you can just edit this. However, if you want to completely remove this, go ahead and click on delete and the password has been deleted. Now, each and every time you go ahead and try to sign in on your Netflix account, if you go ahead and click here, you can see you'll only have an option to enter the email but not the password. For the password, you'll just have to log in with your password or with your codes. So that's how you can remove your Netflix password from Google Password Manager. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.